Hey y'all, this is your girl Kita Lily and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a thrift flip. So I have 3 pieces that I want to flip today. They aren't actually from thrifting, but one piece is an old cardigan my mom bought me 2 years ago. We have matching cardigans and I want to upscale it to something more brandy, Urban Outfitters style. And the other 2 I got from Forever 21 when they closed down back in December, their San Francisco store. So I got a piece for 20 cents and one for $3. These are articles of clothing that I really wanted. One is like a sweatshirt and the other was a top that I wanted to put a Playboy patch on. So all 3 of these are going to be cropped and some of them are going to be altered in different ways. So let's get on to the video. I got this cardigan a few years ago. My mom and I have the same style of cardigan, but she wears hers and I don't. So here's the cardigan. I think it's probably from Costco or something. My mom and I have matching ones. What I want to do today, I want to crop it because it is a little bit long. The fabric pattern isn't really like brandy style or Urban Outfitters style, but it could be. So I want to interchange these buttons to pearl buttons. So I bought these from Michael. It was about $2, but then they had a lot of discounts right now. I got 2 of them for $2.50, which was pretty good. The cardigan was in Berkeley while I was buying these buttons when I was at home, and I didn't know how many to buy, so actually I'm only gonna need 4 for the length that I want to crop it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is crop it and then I'm gonna sew on the buttons. I don't have crafting scissors, nor do I have regular scissors, so I'm gonna use like these small ones that my brother bought me for my keychain. And this is actually stripes. I checked which stripe I want to cut it at. I don't have a lot of experience cropping things, but generally people say in YouTube videos, you generally like make a line with chalk or something or the other before you cut it, just so you have a more precise measurement of where you want to cut. So I wanted to cut this line right here. Oh wait, that's the 3rd buttonhole. So you gotta make sure you know what you're doing. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna watch some You while it's going on, season 2.
And if we are an us.
So I cut along one of the lines of the cardigan and it took some time and my scissors were kind of bad, but I got through it with my boba and watching You. After that, I took off the buttons that were already there. It was pretty simple, just snipping off the ends of the threads, and then I tied the new buttons on, just hand sewing them back on. So here's the final look. I really like it. It's really cute. The only problem is I'm not wearing the bra that I normally do. This is a bralette, so it's definitely gonna pull here when I wear something, so I might put a safety pin as well. Other than that, I really like this length that I cropped it at. It's a little bit shorter than I would have liked, but I think it's a very cool look. I guess I'll look good with all 3 of these buttons or just this. I can't just do one button because I feel like I'd be showing way too much. I feel like that's more of a look for super long cardigans, but otherwise, I think it's really cute. So this one's from Forever 21. It's basically like an athletic type sweatshirt. It's got a really soft material on the inside. That's what I really liked about it. But I don't like this part right here. So I want to crop it to get this out of the way. But I don't want just any crop. So I think I want to put a waistband right here. I like how just like baggy it is otherwise. So I think it'll be a nice look. I didn't want to just crop it because I feel like it would be kind of boring. So I don't have like chalk or anything, so I just folded up the sweatshirt and made sure like the sides align so that I'd get a straight stitch. Then I just measured it on my body to the length that I wanted it, so now I'm just gonna cut across. There's You going on right now. There's my boba. I don't have elastic, but you really don't need elastic. You really need some kind of thread. This is the only one that I could find because I don't have a lot of thick string that I could tie easily. So yeah, we're just gonna make do with this, and we'll probably have the tie in the inside so you won't have to see it being neon green. Basically what I wanted to do was to crop this and cinch it at the bottom. So I first cut off the bottom half and then folded it and created a hem
such that I could thread something through to cinch it. So first I decided to use that neon string to cinch it, but I almost got it through, but then it started to unravel, and it unraveled inside of the hem, which created a big problem. So then I had to restart doing that, and instead I decided to use the jersey string. I just cut off a piece of the original shirt and just stretched it, and then I used that and threaded it through, and it was much stronger than any old string, and it worked the best.
So this is how it turned out. I think it's really cute. Like, it's scrunched up. Honestly, when people say that it's going to be shorter than what you actually cut off, and yeah, I kind of wanted it at this level. It's a little higher than what I wanted, but I'm actually digging the look a lot. Like, this much of belly space, that's like so cute. And I have the little tie at the back, and that took some time, but I could hide it if I wanted to. And then I pulled most of the scrunching to the front because there wasn't a lot of scrunch. If this part hit me just at the small of my waist, that would be really cute, but I guess you could see like whoosh. This is disappointing. What I wanted to do for this third piece, it was this white bodycon dress from Forever. Yeah, so it has this really cool detailing in the back. That's what intrigued me, and I think it was 20 cents, this one. What I had wanted to do, I had bought this Playboy patch about like a month previous to this. I thought it was very cute. I wanted to put it like here and then crop it, but now I think that the white and the black are kind of clashing, so I'm gonna hold off on this DIY and wait for a shirt that is black or a darker material so that it'll match more with the patch. Maybe I'll find like a black sweatshirt or something. That would be cute. So yeah, sorry that was a disappoint, but you gotta see 2 other cool DIYs, I guess. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Sorry to disappoint, but you gotta see 2 other somewhat decent DIYs, so I think that was a good thing for the first